Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about cloud computing. Here is the agenda. What is cloud computing? History, advantages, disadvantages, components, architecture, types and conclusion. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a general term to describe a new class of network-based computing that takes place over the network. Basically, a step on from utility computing, a collection or group of integrated and networked hardware, software, and internet infrastructure. Using the internet for communication and transport provides hardware, software, and networking services to clients. These platforms hide the complexity and details of the underlying infrastructure from users and applications by providing very simple graphical interface or API. History of cloud computing. Cloud computing has its roots in the development of computer networks in the 1960s, but it wasn't until the early 2000s that the concept of renting computing resources on demand, known as infrastructure as a service, began to gain popularity. Amazon Web Services was launched in 2006, and the term cloud computing started to gain widespread use in 2008. Today, cloud computing is an essential part of the IT landscape, with organizations using cloud-based services for everything from data storage to application development and deployment. The growth of cloud computing has been fueled by advancements in virtualization technology, increased internet bandwidth, and the development of new cloud-based services and applications. Advantages of cloud computing. Scalability. Cloud computing allows you to scale your infrastructure up or down as your business needs change. You can easily add or remove computing resources as required, making it easy to accommodate fluctuations in demand. Cost effective. It means that with cloud computing, you can pay for the resource you use, which can be most cost effective than maintaining your own infrastructure. Accessibility. It means that cloud computing allows you to access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling remote work and increasing productivity. Reliability. It means that cloud computing providers typically offer high levels of uptime and reliability, minimizing the risk of downtime or data loss. Security. It means that cloud computing providers often have robust security measures in place, including encryption, firewalls, and regular security updates, making it easier to protect your data and applications from threats. Disadvantages. Dependency on internet connectivity. It means cloud computing relies on a stable and reliable internet connection, so any disruption to your connectivity can impact your ability to access your data and applications. Security concerns. It means that while cloud computing providers often have robust security measures in place, there is still a risk of data breaches or other security issues, particularly if you do not properly secure your own accounts and applications. Limited control. When you use cloud computing services, you may have limited control over your infrastructure, software updates, and other aspects of your computing environment. Cost. While cloud computing can be cost effective in many cases, costs can add up quickly if you require high levels of computing power, storage, or bandwidth. Potential for vendor lock-in. Once you adopt a specific cloud computing provider, it can be challenging to switch to a different provider, which can limit your options and flexibility. Components: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, cloud security, cloud networking, cloud management. IaaS means provides access to computing resources such as virtual machines, storage, and networking components that can be provisioned and managed through a web interface or API. PaaS provides a platform for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications in the cloud without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. SaaS provides software applications that are delivered over the internet as a service. These applications can be accessed from anywhere and they are typically paid for on a subscription basis. Cloud security. Cloud security provides security measures to protect data and applications in the cloud from cyber threats and attacks. It includes access control, data encryption, identity management, and other security measures. Cloud networking. Cloud networking provides networking components and services such as virtual private. This is the architecture of cloud computing. It contains application layer, platform layer, infrastructure layer, hardware layer. Types of cloud: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. Public cloud is open to all to store and access information via internet using the pay-per-usage method. Private cloud is also known as internet cloud or corporate cloud. It is used by organizations to build and manage their own data centers internally or by the third party. It can be deployed using open source tools such as OpenStack and Eucalyptus. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the combination of public cloud and private cloud. Community cloud. Community cloud allows systems and services to be accessible by a group of several organizations to share the information between the organization and a specific community. It is owned, managed, and operated by one or more organizations in the community, a third party, or a combination of them. Conclusion. So while cloud computing is really great and you are probably already using it either for business or for and personal needs, here is what we have learned from taking at the pros and cons. Cloud computing is a really cheap way for companies to have all the resources they need in one place. It's a much better way spread your resources and it becomes easier to access things from longer distances. Thank you.